Hello, everyone.
Hi, we've got some exciting news.
We have a big announcement to make. After almost 50 years for me, not for Carolyn,
30
she's
for
much
me.
younger than me, or at least younger.
Yeah.
We're going to retire, and we're not joking.
Right.
This is the real deal.
We're retiring from manufacturing.
Yes.
It's a baby step, right?
We need to say semi. Is that what you
That's
would
right,
say?
semi. That's right.
Retiring
Absolutely.
as it may work out.
Well, because, jewelry has been a huge part of our life. That's really how we met and bonded over our love of jewelry and gemstones
and the Southwest.
Yeah. And, you are such an amazing, big part of our life as well. Our collectors, our suppliers, our associates at Relios. So it's hard to imagine a life without jewelry. So we're trying to figure that out. We've worked with so many great people throughout the industry, throughout New Mexico, and we really want to also assure you that we're taking care of our employees because our employees are really our family.
We have employees that have worked with us for up to 31 years for Gilbert.
That's right. Yeah.
A little longer than that for me. But quite a few people that have worked with us 20 years and more. Lots of people that work with us 10 years and more. And of course, that was also a very big concern for us, when shutting down our manufacturing and our marketing. So we took good care of them.
That's right. We want everybody to feel good about their next chapter in their lives. When we look back, and not just look back, but kind of reminisce with our associates about when they joined our company, how things have changed, how they've grown. I mean, I know you are too, so proud of the talent, the dedication, the passion. And like I said, they have grown from walking through the front door, never having made jewelry, to, running production, or suddenly, learning how to design jewelry,
information systems,
e-commerce. I mean, that is so rewarding. And although it's a shock for all of us, we have put a lot of thought into this. And I think I see some smiles on the faces of associates because, sometimes change is good, right?
Yes. And I've been, of course, keeping the pulse of what's going on with individuals more, of course, recently than I had been for a while because of COVID and all that. But there's a lot of people that are excited about moving on. Right. They're looking for a change.
That's right.
Yeah, and it's really great. And we're taking good care of them, especially the people. The longer somebody's worked for us, the more severance we've offered them, and we've had job fairs. We've emptied the break room and filled it with potential employers.
It was really great to see. I mean, and it's really a tribute to the skills our employees have, because we had how many companies show up for the job fair?
And we 14 companies for the job fair.
And it was pretty, we kind of pulled it together pretty quickly. It wasn't like they had a lot of notice.
It was I think it was the day after we made the announcement to the employees.
That's right. That's right. So they're a part of our family, and they will remain a part of our family, as will you. So you're probably wondering, okay, so what's next? Right? Well,
yes.
We've done a lot. We've traveled across America with QVC, down Route 66. We've met so many of you along the road at QVC during our live audience shows. In our stores, we had really great fun events here in Albuquerque and at the Gaylord Texan. So we're trying to figure out what this is going to look like. QVC would love to keep our American West jewelry brand alive and growing and vital on QVC. And as you know, Bill and I love jewelry. So
we've been talking about it.
We've been talking about it.
With QVC.
We're developing a plan to continue to do that. And what that would look like is we would still design everything right here literally right here in our home. and we'll
we
get
might
out
go
and
to
about.
Santa
Maybe Santa
Fe.
Fe. Yeah. And and then
We will go to Santa Fe.
work with a trusted manufacturer. We've come to know and respect a lot of people like QVC, and QVC, has the highest quality standards, and their standards are our standards and yours. So we will be involved if everything goes as expected. We will still design. We will approve all the samples. We'll approve the stones. We'll approve, the quality, and we'll still enjoy time with you on QVC.
Yeah, right. One of your favorite parts.
Yeah, is spending time with you on QVC.
Going on QVC.
Well, and the way we'll keep you posted on that is, while we won't be transacting on our website, retail transactions coming up here pretty soon.
We'll keep that in front so you'll know when.
Yeah, but
and what's going on.
We will keep AmericanWestJewelry.com active, and we'll be that's where we can share updates with you, show times, new designs, model shoots, and Facebook. Yep. So we're not going away. We're just trying to figure out what this next chapter looks like, and we hope you'll
semi-retirement.
That's right. We hope you'll come along for the ride.
Yes, for sure. So want to make sure that we are really appreciate you. We really appreciate the years that we've had together, the jewelry that you've collected from us, and how you've shown your appreciation. We've got so many, in fact, especially with Laura now, our customer service person, she brings to our attention the very good and the very bad.
Right. We appreciate them both.
Ratings.
Yes. We've learned a lot from you. Thank you for being patient with us throughout the years, and really being a huge part of, how we've grown American West Jewelry.
Absolutely.
To, what it is today.
From you.
It is. And we couldn't have done it without you. And please stay with us on this journey. And we need you in our world, even though things will be a little different.
Yes, things will be a little different. And hopefully, and I think it will be, Carolyn and I will be spending a little more time
with the grandkids.
Oh,
yes.
Yeah, we've made a pledge. Don't tell them, but I've made a pledge to visit each of our grandkids on their birthdays.
So that means really
from one coast to the
That's
other.
That's right. Bopping around all year long, which is going to be so much fun. And we're going to see the world.
And we're going to, I don't know, you've got some parts of the world you don't want to see. I think you've expressed to me. But
I have my priorities.
There are other parts of the world, not the whole world, that we are going to investigate a little bit, explore.
That's right.
So that's great. However, we're going to be spending some quality time developing new products, new American West products for QVC.
That's right.
And getting Carolyn back in the QVC studio.
Yeah, that was fun. I've been live the last 2 visits, so
it's worked out
great.
It's good
timing. Yes.
Yeah, it's really nice. We love it back there, so it's not a bad place to explore too.
Well, and I thank QVC for introducing me to all of you. You are like family to me. I love you. I thank you. And let's continue to have fun and celebrate jewelry.
Right on. We'll keep you posted. Stay tuned, as they say in the TV world.
That's right.
Thank you so much.
Bye for now.
Bye.